Hey there, fellow narrow gaugers. Well, we've had quite a bit going on here at Laughlin Junction, getting ready for this season. If you could notice something a little bit different from last year, we now have a semaphore instead of the dwarf signal. So let's take a look at how it works. So as you can see now, we're lined for the main, which is generally a green on the dwarf signal, and it is vertical on the semaphore. So press the button, so the switch starts to throw. Goes down to red while the switch is throwing, and takes a while for the switch to get all the way over. We just changed out the switch machine as well. It has a 36-volt motor, and the power supply comes tomorrow for it to speed it up. So once it gets all the way over, now contacts mate, and then the motor starts up. And there's yellow for going down into the passenger facility. All right, so we want to go up the hill. Push the button for the hill. So when the switch is throwing, everything goes to red. Gets all the way over. And up we go. And now we're lined for going up the hill. So yeah, everything's in service now and working pretty good, and we're very happy. So hope to see you all Saturday here for our first run for 2023.